In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use Steam Big Picture Mode here on a ROG Xbox Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is go to your apps, and once you're in your apps, go ahead and open up Steam. Now, if you don't already have Steam installed, go ahead and just install it. If you already have it installed, just open it up and wait for it to load. But for the first time when you launch Steam, it may check for updates, it may verify installation, it may load user data. This is normal and it happens on really any PC. Like, it just did that for me. But as you can see, once that loads and you can exit out of whatever ad it's going to pop up, you're going to be on Steam just like normal. Once Steam opens up, it should automatically load into Big Picture Mode, and you'll know it's working because you'll see the big picture animation and the interface will look kind of console optimized. Everything is also controller friendly, and this is the best way to use Steam on the ROG Xbox Ally X because it's designed for handheld and controller navigation. The first launch may be a little bit longer, but you're good to go. Now, if it doesn't automatically put you on Big Picture Mode, don't worry, that is okay. Just go up to view up at the very top and hit big picture mode and you'll be good to go. It'll load you into big picture mode. Now you can use the Xbox menu buttons, use the joysticks, or use the touchscreen to install games. Obviously go to your library, go to all games, and then of course you can go in and choose whatever game you want and install it. Now I have a lot of games on here, I'm not going to lie. And if you want to close it, go ahead and hold down on the Xbox button itself. It's going to pull up a page that looks something like this. We can go ahead and just close out of it directly through here, or just go back to Xbox just like so. And you can also just hover over the little X and close it from there, and it'll open you back up into the main interface. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.